People who follow the trading markets with any regularity know that speed is the essence when trading. The faster you can react to market changes, the better your chances are of making a good profit. If you're here, you probably already know that using an automated software is an essential part of staying competitive as a cryptocurrency trader. There are several excellent tools and services available for crypto traders these days. One of the best examples of it is KuCoin Trading Bot. On this video, we will cover everything you need to know about the KuCoin trading and how it can improve your performance as a trader. What is KuCoin? KuCoin is a Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency exchange that has been operating since September 2017. It's been growing steadily ever since, and as of early 2019, it is the world's 16th largest cryptocurrency exchange by daily trading volume. KuCoin offers its own cryptocurrency, KuCoin Shares, KCS, as part of an affiliate reward program that pays a percentage of revenues back to the people who own KCS. As a centralized exchange, KuCoin operates somewhat differently from the centralized exchanges DEXs like IDEX for Delta or IDEX. DEXs are newer and more exciting, but most of them also have very low trading volumes, so it might be hard to execute large trades with them. How to use the trading bot. Before you can use the KuCoin trading bot, you must first create an account at KuCoin.com. This is a straightforward process. Just enter your email address and a strong password. Confirm your email address and select your user settings. Once you've created an account, you can add funds to your account by clicking on Assets and selecting from the available options. Then go to Assets and click on Deposit Withdraw. This will show you the wallet address where you can deposit funds. Now, let's get to the fun part, configuring the trading bot and getting started with the automated trading. First, click on Assets and select Exchange from the drop-down menu. Then select Create and enter the details of the type of trading bot you want to use. Next, you will be prompted to add funds to your account. Click on Deposit and select the deposit method that works best for you. The last step is configuring the trading bot itself. To do this, you will have to go to Assets and click on Exchange. Then select the trading bot you want to use and click on Open Bot. To get KuCoin Trading Bot, please visit the link in the description. Then you can get your trading robot. Understanding the basics of using a trading bot. Before we jump into the beneficial aspects of using the KuCoin trading bot, let's take a closer look at how automated trading software works. Trading bots are computer programs designed to monitor crypto trading platforms 24/7. They are fully automated, have no emotions, and don't sleep. They only care about profits and make decisions based on preset rules. While crypto exchanges have been growing rapidly, they are still not 100% reliable. In fact, crypto exchanges have been hacked several times in the last few years. This is why it makes sense to employ a trading bot. Unlike human traders, bots don't get tired and can become emotionally attached to their positions. Since they don't have feelings to hurt, trading bots can make decisions about their positions in a completely rational manner. This is extremely helpful during these times of high volatility when emotions get the best of us. Pros of using the KuCoin trading bot. Speed. As we said earlier, the ability to act quickly is a major advantage of using automated trading software. Traders who use bots can react to market changes almost instantly, which can give them an edge over other traders who are slower to act. Trading bots can also be set to execute trades at a certain time so that you don't have to worry about remembering to press buy or sell. Also, we have consistency. This is another major advantage of trading bots. Since they execute trades automatically, there's no room for human error. You can set the bot to follow a certain strategy and know that it will execute trades consistently. On the other hand, we have reduced risks. Traders who employ the use of a trading bot can also minimize their risks. They can set their bot to keep their account balanced and sell when the markets are moving too violently. This means that you won't end up with lots of unbalanced positions that could create a big problem if the market reverses and heads toward your stop loss. Now, the most important part. Cons of using the KuCoin trading bot. Lack of flexibility and human emotions. While trading bots are great for consistent and rule-based trading, they lack of flexibility and emotional intelligence that many human traders possess. This can be a little problematic when markets are moving too fast to respond to manually, unless you have implemented manual overrides. Your bot may make decisions that you don't fully agree with. On the other hand, we have lack of intuition. Trading bots don't have intuition, so they can't react or act based on gut feelings. This can be problematic in highly volatile situations when it's important to get out of a position quickly. It's better to use your trading bots in slow-moving situations when markets are moving slowly and you have plenty of time to react to changing circumstances. The best thing about the KuCoin trading bot is that it's very easy to use. Anyone can set it up and start using it immediately. There are so many options when it comes to trading bots, so it makes sense to carefully consider which one best suits your needs. Once you decide on a bot, you can set up alerts that let you know when the bot is about to make a trade. So, the biggest advantage of using a trading bot is that it frees you up to do all the things while trading. You can focus on your other responsibilities while the bot takes care of your trading. If you're looking for a best trading robot for cryptocurrency trading and to make consistent profit each day, just visit the link below to get on your hand at a very reasonable price.